Hey guys, so what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my December Ipsy Glam Bag, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and also as a bonus, I actually have the brand new refreshments box that Ipsy is coming up with. So if you want to see everything that I got, then let's get right into the video. Alright babes, so let's get this unboxing started. I will say that I was actually very good this time around and I have not opened my box at all until now. So let's see what I got. Ooh, this is a lot of goodies in here. Let me show you a little sneak peek. So let's see. Let me start off for the first time with the actual theme of this month's box. Sometimes I forget to do this at the beginning, but let's get this right. So it says, home for the holidays is where the heart is. Rock those festive playlists. Do a red lip, which I have on. Indulge in what you love with who you love. It's what the holidays are all about. Definitely very fitting. So let me start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. And I have to say, this little pouch is so freaking cute. It feels super soft. It almost feels like if it's a teddy-like material or a fox Sherpa fabric. I don't know, but I like it. It's super soft and cozy. So let's see what I got. So the first item that I got is the Professional Pore Primer. This is actually one of my favorites and you can never have enough. This is what the little sample looks like. It's kind of small, but at the same time, I appreciate having these little samples, and obviously most people love this primer, so that's really cute. So for the second item, I'm actually really excited. It seems to be a full size from Wander Beauty, and it is their Skyliner gel eyeliner, and this is in the color Jet Black. And I actually haven't tried that many products from Wander Beauty, so I'm really excited to give this a try. This seems to be a retractable gel eyeliner, so that's what it looks like. Super excited about this one. So next up, I got a product from Murad, and this is their Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I'm actually really excited about this, and I have to say this is a pretty big size for being a sample size. You can kind of see right there, and I have tried a couple products from Murad before and they were good, so I'm really happy that I get to try this out. It seems like if it is definitely a gel kind of cleanser, so I will definitely be giving this a try. Alright, so next up, I got a little tiny sample from Purlisse. This is their Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Honestly, I don't know what that means exactly. I'm assuming it's similar to an eye cream, but apparently it's a serum. But it says it hydrates intensively, firms and brightens, and it also decreases puffiness. It's definitely everything that I need for my under eyes. This is a very small sample, you guys, but I guess it's a great way for me to try this product. But there you have it. All right, and the last item that I received on my Ipsy Glam Bag is actually this mascara from IT Cosmetics. This is their Superhero Mascara, and I will say that it was not included inside of the little pouch, but this is the last sample size product that I have remaining on my box, so I'm just assuming that this is the last product. But I actually have tried this mascara before and I loved it. I just don't know why I didn't repurchase it, to be honest with you. But I do like the wand. It's one of those wands that like really help to get the mascara on all your lashes. So I'm happy that I get to try it again. Alright, so now let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the first item that I got is by TULA Skincare, and this is their Soul Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I actually have not tried anything from TULA before, and I don't know if I am excited about this product, to be honest with you, because I actually don't use that many exfoliating scrubs on my face. I have sensitive skin, so when it comes to exfoliating, I prefer the chemical exfoliants, if that makes sense. But I don't know, maybe I will give this a try. I don't know if it's gentle or harsh on the skin. Let's see. It says that it helps to get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin. And it does say that this is gentle, but I don't know. Maybe I will give this a try and I will let you guys know. So the next product that I got, this is actually a new brand to me and it is called Veriphy. I believe that's how you say it, but this is what it looks like, and this is their 2020, and oh god, let me see if I pronounce this right. So it says that this is their Phytoglycogen plus peptide eye cream. I don't know why they will ever name it that way, but essentially this is an eye cream. The packaging does feel quite heavy, which makes me feel that it's an expensive product. I have not looked up the prices at all, but it does feel pretty luxurious and I appreciate that. And you get a lot of product in here. Oops, I think I opened it the wrong way, but let me see. Oh, there you go. So I do like that it has a little pump applicator, so that way you don't stick your finger into the container, and that is very sanitary, but I will definitely be giving this a try. So next up, we got more skincare, which I live for skincare, and this is another brand that I personally have not tried. This is by the brand QMS Medic Cosmetics, and it is their Ace Vitamin Date and Night Cream. This actually is a very big container. Let's see how much product you get in here. So you actually get 1.69 fluid ounces, so that's why it feels like a large container. I have actually seen this brand before, but I personally have not tried it. Let me go ahead and open it. I just want to see what the texture is. So far, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the scent, but it does feel like it will be a very hydrating moisturizer. You can see it right there in the texture. Looks very heavy. Oh yeah, it does feel thick and heavy, and I have combination skin type, but during this time of the year, because the weather is definitely colder, I get really dry skin, so I can use the extra hydration. So I actually do like this kind of formulas, but I would definitely be giving this a try. Okay, so the next product that I got is by Nomad, and this is their Toscana Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Again, this is a new brand to me. I have not used any of their makeup products before, but I'm really excited to try this, especially because it looks like this is a Tuscany theme. Yeah, it is a Tuscany, Italy theme, which I love. I love this packaging, you guys. That is super adorable. Let's see what the palette looks like inside. Ooh, these are very beautiful colors. I have to say that I really love the theme, the colors, and the little imprints that you have on each eyeshadow pan. Let's see. You guys know that I always have to swatch eyeshadows, so let me see. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of pigment right there. Can you guys see that? That shade is so beautiful. Let me see. So that is a shimmer. Let me go ahead and swatch a matte eyeshadow. Oh, very soft and buttery. I kind of went over the swatch a couple times, but you get a lot of pigment. Definitely very, very pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, I have to do another swatch just because this last shade on the bottom, it's calling me. I love those warm tones. Oh my goodness. I don't think I have any shadows like that in my collection. It's almost like a, I don't know, like a mustard color, but it does have shimmer. Super pretty. Okay, I cannot wait to use that palette. Definitely, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you have to follow me. Every time that I get this Ipsy boxes, I do quick makeup tutorials in there. I post it on Reels or on regular IG TV videos, but I'm always doing tutorials, so definitely follow me so that you can see more content on how to create makeup looks and how to use these products. But this palette is super cute and I'm really excited that I got it. Alright, and the last item that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a powder brush, and this is by the brand Beau Gâchis. Honestly, this is another new brand to me, but I will say that this brush feels super soft and it feels really nice. I do love the handle, super pretty. But yeah, another brand to try. And all the way on the bottom is the little bag that you receive with your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Super cute as well. It's a little bit different than the smaller Ipsy Glam bag, but it also has the kind of like the teddy Sherpa-like material. It's not exactly the same, at least not as fluffy, but also very pretty. I love the color and it has those little strings. So that is what you get. So that is everything that I got on both my Ipsy Glam bag and also my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. But I do want to show you, you guys know that I actually get the creator influencer box. So they did send these two items in here, and let me just show you what they sent. So one of them, it seems to be a deck of cards, maybe a game. Yeah, it's like a little game, which is super cool that they did that. And they also send this Happy Holidays 200-piece puzzle. Super cute that they did that as well. Obviously, this is something that comes in the creator box, so I'm not sure. I don't think you can get this on your regular Ipsy Glam bags, but I appreciate that Ipsy sent this over. And lastly, let's get into the brand new Refreshments box. So this was really new to me and I had to look up some of the details. So Refreshments is a new personalized membership of clean face and body essentials. And from the Ipsy website, I was able to find the actual pricing and everything. So this seems to be a separate subscription box from Ipsy, but they do say that Ipsy members will have first access to sign up for Refreshments monthly membership, and they say that they actually offer an exclusive monthly member pricing starting at $11 after the first month. It also says that this membership will be fully customizable based on your unique preferences, including monthly shipment, assortments, and product delivery. So that is very exciting, you guys, especially if you are into body care and clean care products. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is really cute. So that's what you see once you open it up, and everything comes in this little pouch, which is super cute. I love the colors. I also see these little stickers at the bottom of my box. Super cute. So the first thing that I got on my refreshment box is the Velvety body cream, and this is in the citrus spritz scent. So let's see. Actually, let me open it up so that I can try it out. This is a very large size, you guys. You get 8 fluid ounces in here, which is really cool. It definitely smells very citrus, and I actually don't mind it, but I don't know. It feels really lightweight, so I don't know if it will be really hydrating, but so far it made my hand look very shiny. So I do like the texture. It's just that it feels very lightweight, which can be good for some people. So that is the first item. Next up, I got this Luscious hand cream, and it's also in the same scent. So if you do not like citrus scents, then maybe these products are not gonna be for you, but this is what it looks like. And in this one, you get 2 fluid ounces. Okay, I'm not gonna open it since I already know what the scent smells like. And lastly, we got some cleansing face wipes. I'm not too sure about these ones because I actually don't use face wipes to remove my makeup, but I do use them when I'm doing tutorials to clean up certain areas or just the mess that I do on my hands when I do swatches. But I can appreciate this, and definitely I will be giving them a try. But I'm really excited about this new subscription box, especially if you are into body and face care products, which you guys know that I love skincare. So that is everything that I got on my Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and also my new refreshments box for the month of December. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!